Well, this is our latest printed uh, Anet 8 object, and if you see, it is quite a good print with very shining overview. You can see the uh, base of this object is very clean. Now you can do this, or we can all do this by having a bed temperature that's relevant with the PLA material that you are using. I am using PLA, basically the filament material that is the real thing that must be seen before you print anything. I'm sorry for the quality of the video because right now I'm just starting out, and depending upon the response I'll be or subscribers, I'll be taking the videos in a more professional format. But I would say that for my filament, I have seen by practice that the temperature needs to be 215 degrees for the PLA, and the bed temperature around 63 to 65 degrees. You can do this easily, and I'll be uploading a video of how to do the bed temperature thing next.